everyone. I hope you're having a great day. It's Mrs. Taron again, and today we're going to finish up this week by talking about shapes, 2D and 3D shapes, and also reviewing our math facts, sums to 10. Okay, ways to make 10. All right, here we go. Do you remember 2 plus 8 equals 10? And if we flip-flop that around, 8 plus 2 equals 10. 2 and 8 go together to make 10. 8 and 2 go together to make 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And the flip-flop, 7 plus 3 equals 10. That's exactly right. Good job. All right, another one. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good. And that is a doubles fact, isn't it? Because the 5 and 5 are the same number. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, very good. All right, this week we've been talking about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. And I just want to review some of these 2D shapes that we've talked about and talk about a couple more that we didn't get a chance to talk about this week. So we have a triangle, and how many sides does a triangle have? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides on a triangle. This shape is a what? Oh, that's right. Very good. It is a square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they are all the same length. Four-sided shape, same length, is a square. Great job. And we have this round shape right here. And what do you think that is? You're exactly right. It is a circle. Very good. And then we have a rectangle. 2 shorter sides, 2 longer sides. Very good. And then it's different from a square, isn't it? Because the sides of a rectangle are not all the same length. They have different lengths. We have a star and a heart. And then down here, let's count this shape. Let's count the sides of this shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6-sided shape is called a what? Oh, it's a hexagon. That's right. It is called a hexagon. It has 6 sides. And then let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is an 8-sided shape called? You've got it. It's an octagon. We see that on stop signs, right? Very good. Okay, so those are our 2D shapes. And earlier in the week, we made pancakes, and we had them flat as a pancake, 2D shapes. And we made these different shapes out of the pancakes, didn't we? That was really fun. Well, also we talked about 3D shapes. And here are some 3D shapes that we're going to talk about, and we're going to review these. So this one right here is called a what? That's exactly right. It is a cube. Very good. Very good. A cube. And we have a sphere. Very great. Good job. Sphere. All right. What about this one? All right. A cone. That's exactly right. This is a cone. And we have a pyramid. Super. All right. Well, here's just a few things that you could do with these shapes. So you could take some little cards and you could draw these shapes on the cards. And so you see that we have some triangles here. We also have some rectangles, right? Let's look at these. So you could even like this. You have a square. You could take these and you could turn them over so that you can't see them. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that called again? Oh, you're right. It's an octagon. That's exactly right. And you could draw those on your paper. And then we have a circle. Super job. We also have a square and another triangle, a circle, and a triangle. Very good. You could mix those all up, lay them out, and then you could play concentration with these. So you could take one of these shapes and turn it over. Oh, what did we find? We found a triangle. That's exactly right. And turn this one over. Oh, man, that's a rectangle, isn't it? Is that a match? No, it's not. So then you would turn them back over and then pick another one. Well, let's see what we have now. Oh, is that a triangle? Hey, I remember seeing a triangle that we did before, don't you? That's exactly right. Look at that. There's another triangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They both have 3 sides. Those are triangles. Very good. So that could be a match, and you could put it right there in your pile. And then you could go again. And then your friend, somebody in your family, could play with you, and then you could see if you could get all the matches. Find the circles together, find the triangles together, and the rectangles, and the squares. Okay, another game that we could play, or another thing that you could do with your shapes, is you could cut out shapes with colors. So I have a square, I have a triangle out of another color, I have a circle out of a color, and then, I'll move it out here so you can see it a little better. There we go. And then I also have a rectangle, okay? And you could have all of these shapes. And then I just took a magazine that we had, and I cut out some shapes out of the magazine, and I found a piece of pizza. What do you think that is? Triangle? Ah, so I could put it on the triangle over here. So look at that. So I could put it on the triangle shape. So I have a triangle, and I want to find all the triangles, so I could just put this on here, and that's a way that I can sort all of my shapes, right? All right, what about this? Oh, I think that would be a rectangle. You're right. So I could put it on the rectangle. And what about a phone? Oh yes, another rectangle. Look at that. Very cool. All right. What about this shape? Oh yes, that's a circle. Very good. So you could divide these out onto those pieces of paper, or you could just divide them out and to make them into different groups with the different shapes. Very, very good. So you could do that also. Another game that you could play with these is that you could go on a scavenger hunt, and you can see if you could find the real life things in your house. Like you could say, oh yes, I spy a cylinder. I spy a sphere. Very good. I spy a cube. Good job. Look at that. So you could go on a scavenger hunt. You could write all of the things that you found around your house. You could even go outside and find some things outside too. Okay? Even a marker is a cylinder shape. Look at that. All right. So I've had such a great time with you this week. It's been a wonderful time. Thank you so much for learning with me, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. See you later. Bye.